In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix your Xiaomi Smart Pen when it's not connecting to your Xiaomi Pad 5. Let's get you back to smooth drawing and note-taking in no time. First, make sure your Xiaomi Pad 5's Bluetooth is turned on. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and toggle it on if it's off. Next, check that your Smart Pen has enough battery. Charge it fully before trying to connect. Now, restart your Xiaomi Pad 5 to refresh its system. After it powers back on, go to the Bluetooth settings again and look for Xiaomi Smart Pen in the list of available devices. Tap to pair it. If it still doesn't connect, try turning the pen off and on again by pressing its power button for a few seconds. You can also reset the pen by holding the power button longer until the light flashes, then try pairing once more. Sometimes, removing any old connections from the Bluetooth list helps, so forget any previous Xiaomi Smart Pen entries before pairing again. That should fix the connection issue and get your Smart Pen working perfectly with your Xiaomi Pad 5. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes.